2, 3, let's play! Grab the markers, pick a page. Watch the magic take the stage. Neon pink and ocean blue, making something shiny and new. Got the stickers in my hand. Welcome to our paper land. Oh, LoliBraids and all her friends, where the paper story never ends. Cut it out and make a smile. Stay and play a little while. Mix the colors bright and bold. The sweetest DIY stories ever told. Swinging down the street with her purple hair, Lily LOVEBRAIDS dancing without a care. Got the neon sneakers and a starry bright dress, always looking fabulous, never a mess. She's got a big smile that lights up the room, chasing away all the gray and the gloom. Oh, watch her go, watch her spin around, the brightest superstar in the neon town, with a flip and a skip to a happy beat. Lily is bringing the magic to the street. Yeah, Lily is bringing the magic to the street. She sets a cute pose for the camera flash, running through the colors with the lightning dash. Everything she Sun is shining, the sky is so blue. Lily is ready for something brand new. Time, purple braids up with a bow. She has a big smile and she is ready to go. Skipping along on her sparkly feet, moving her shoulders